Hello, I'm Robert and welcome to my channel, where I discuss everything automated algorithmic trading, or simply algo trading. This last week was quite an interesting one for the EURUSD market, and that is what we are going to be talking about today. It really had quite a bit of activity with quite a few surprises along the way. So let's get straight to the chart, where I've already mapped out the frequency weighted, order book volume, and range levels. The big movement this week really was downward, as we saw with the range itself dropping, that being the yellow line. It didn't go down much comparatively speaking, but it is enough to give a clear indication of what may come over the next week or two. The one thing, though, that really does stand out as critically important is that order book volume. The buy side is now below the range itself, clearly showing that buyers want prices lower. And in this case, buyers and bears could technically be considered the same, but for the point of the direction of the flow, I'm just going to refer to buyers. The buyers want prices lower. They want prices to go down to previous lows. So I think we may see some testing there. And right now, the sell side of the order book, or bearish pressure, is at 40%. So there is enough leverage within the order book to suggest that the price could be pushed down into the lower ranges, the 1.073 range. Realistically, I think this is a possibility. While the bulls ended Friday with holding the market, they didn't have a strong hold on it, as we can see by the wicks. The upper and lower wicks are quite strong. So there was quite a bit of back and forth motion between the bulls and the bears throughout the market. Contrary to looking at Thursday's market, when you saw the bears just dominate it and drive price down aggressively. So while Monday might bring a bump in the market just because the bulls hold it, I don't know if that's going to hold or not. At this point, we are well below previous support levels within the market, so I really do believe that this next level is going to be tested quite aggressively. And I think that the bears are really going to push prices as low as they can. And I think that the buyers are going to be the benefactors of this very generous price level compared to what we've seen since mid-February. So that's really what I'm expecting for this next week. I think we're going to see the lower prices. I think we're going to see more aggressive pushback between the bulls and the bears. And I think overall the market is going to continue a much larger trending picture of the cyclic motion it has been in for quite a while. Let's zoom out and get a good look at that. As we can see, just going back to the end of 2023, this ranged area has been here for quite a while, and I really look for it to stay for significantly longer. I really don't think we're going to go too far out of this range, just as we haven't for a significant amount of time. As we zoom out the range a little bit, and we can see it in a closer fashion. The yellow lines represent 172,000 data points of analysis. So I really believe we are going to be in a generous market for at least another month before we see any major pushes one way or the other. So that's it. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about the market. Let me know how you're doing with your trading in this market. because it has been crazy looking at the back and forth motions that we have seen. Share your thoughts. Please give this video a thumbs up, like it, help me grow this channel. Thank you for watching.